What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I want to do a quick video on this app slash website InboxDollars. They have a website and the app. I highly encourage you to sign up on the app and then sign up on the website and then download the app so you can make as much money as possible with this site. All right, so like I said, I'm on the app, and a lot of the things you can do on the app you can also do on the website. It's just easier to make money on the go sometimes. So here's basically the home page, and you'll see like you have all these surveys. One thing I do want to let you guys know is that they have a receipt thing right here. I always make videos on how you can make money with receipts, and for every receipt that you have, you can make 2 cents. I mean, that's actually good money, because you think about how many receipts are out there, how many receipts you get like on a daily basis, a weekly basis. I mean, start getting paid for those. I mean, it doesn't matter how many you have, just take a picture of it. Instantly you get 2 cents credited to your account. All right, so, and of course they have all of these surveys here that you could take just to make money with. Also, I'm going to show you something here. In paid email, you'll see here you get paid 2 cents for every email. All right, so right now, like I said, my balance is at 628. All you got to do is click on it like this. It'll show you something. All you got to do is confirm email, just like that, and then you'll go back after it confirms. Click on my balance again, watch it refresh to 630, just like, $16.30. $16.30. I can't talk right now. So very easy to make money with this site. I'm saying? Just looking at your emails, taking pictures of your receipt, also taking surveys, things like that. It's easy money. I've made a lot of money with this site, with this app, and I'm saying, I'm highly encourage you guys to get involved with it. I do want to cash out on this site. Now, if you've been a member of this site for a long time, you remember you had to have a $30 threshold in order to cash out. They've actually lowered that to $10, which is a lot easier for people to reach. You'll see here they have different options in order for you to cash out. Amazon, Best Buy, they got some restaurants on here, things like that. If you're interested in Walmart, Visa gift card. I know a lot of you guys are interested in PayPal, so that's what I'm going to do here. Click on PayPal, and right here, $10, $15, $30, $40, $50, $100. Those are different ways you can cash out. I have $16.30, so I can actually cash out 15. So I'm gonna click on that. Clear that up real quick. Scroll down to the bottom. I actually have to type in my password, so let me do that real quick. Alright, so I typed in my password. It'll bring me to this page, making sure I want to cash out the $15. All I'm gonna do is click confirm. I already have all my email and stuff set up right there. Congratulations on your redemption. $15. All right, so now my balance, it'll go back down to 130 when I refresh it, just like that. All right, so like I said, you see here, $15 is on the way. It usually takes about 2-3 days for it to get to you. So I mean, I can expect that my PayPal account and soon. All right, so like I said, the link to this app slash website is in the description. Sign up. You have to sign up on the website first, but the good thing about it is when you sign up, a lot of times they're offering $5 at sign up. And then once you create your account on the website, go back on your phone or your tablet or something and download the app. That way you can make money on both. And even when you're on the go, you can still make money because you're using the app. You know what I'm saying? Just taking, little surveys, taking pictures of your receipts, checking your email. Like, they send the emails to your account. You can have it where it's sent to your actual email or to your account or to both. I just have it sent to both. That way I can just always know when it's coming. But you have to confirm it. That's the way to get paid. You can confirm it in your email or through the app. So like I said, get started with it today. Link is in the description. Sign up, and always remember, every penny counts.